In this Costco food review, Chinese roast pork and Korean octopus fried rice. So this is the Chinese style cured barbecue pork. This thing is fully cooked. Inside there's hot mustard. So you can just literally slice this and eat it with the hot mustard. Now, Chinese roast pork is a very versatile ingredient. You can eat it hot, you can eat it cold. You can put it in noodles and rice and buns. So I think it's pretty fitting to add it here into my octopus fried rice. When I bought these, I didn't even think about putting them together. This is what I like to call food serendipity. And this one is fully cooked, so you can just slice it as is and eat it. So when you open the roast pork, there's 3 chunks in there. You get 3 packs of spicy mustard, there's some sesame seeds, and they look really pretty. It's got a nice and pretty red smoke ring. Just gonna slice off a piece and put some mustard on here. I'm gonna forego the sesame this time. First impression, I think it's just okay. Flavors are very subtle, not very sweet, not very much of anything. I think the spicy mustard is a good touch because without that, it becomes a little hard to swallow. Also, the texture is a tad dry, a little tough, which I wouldn't mind if the roast pork has a ton of flavor. I like to chew this. Not a lot of flavor to release, especially the end pieces. Oh, really dry. Let's toss it in with some fried rice. It looks good, it smells really good. If I had an egg right now, would make this look even prettier. That fried rice is incredible. Wow. Oh, my tongue feels like someone just took a flamethrower to it. They have giant chunks of octopus in here. There's so much spicy umami. You taste the gochujang, you taste the scallions. That octopus is so freaking tender. And then that awesome heat kicks in right after it goes down the hatch, and it is some intense but delicious, feel-good type of heat. Oh, this is an amazing fried rice. It takes only about 2.5 minutes to cook, super easy. I think this fried rice goes really good with chashu. Texture of the roast pork, much better in the fried rice. Much better. Still a little dry, but much better. After it's cooked with the fried rice, you can taste more of the sweetness of the roast pork. I do feel like the roast pork adds to it. It's definitely more savory, it's got more textures. Again, I don't think that's one of my favorite roast porks, but in the fried rice, especially in this fried rice, delicious. Oh, also, I don't have this in my fridge right now. I wish I did. If you have some mozzarella cheese, I would recommend putting that on the fried rice, pop it into the microwave for about a minute. It's gonna make this even better. And that's it for another Costco food review. Thank you all so much for watching. Until we eat again, see you later.